Infosys has banned its employees from joining its competitors or clients. This is the non-compete clause which we are going to discuss in this video today. Extremely important information for all of you. So stick with me for the next 5 minutes or so and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. So I am reading Indian Express, Money Control, and this news is everywhere, and let me read it for you. The non-compete clause under contention says that after resigning Infosys, an Infosys employee, which will be an ex-employee after resigning, cannot work for a period of 6 months with one of the named rivals, which can be a TCS or any other company, on a client project on which he or she would have serviced in the preceding 12 months before quitting. And Infosys says that this is a standard practice, which is actually true. Lot of companies, in fact almost every other company, has a non-compete clause. Okay, so when you join any company, they give you a lot of documents to sign. Some of these are non-disclosure NDA documents. Okay, some of them are non-compete clauses like this. So which also means that if Infosys has a client, then you can't just go and resign and join the client as well. That is also, somewhat a part of the clause. Now, is this something new? This is not absolutely new. They might have done some amendments. They might have added some company names as their competitors, etc., which I don't know. But this is like a regular thing happening across the industry. And let me explain now why this is important. And I will also explain what you need to do or what you need to be aware of so that you don't find yourself in a very complicated situation. For example, let's assume Apple is one of Infosys customer, and Apple can also be a TCS customer, which means both Infosys and TCS are working for Apple, which is a very common thing to happen because a lot of service companies are providing services to Apple, Google, and other product companies. TCS is also giving certain services, Infosys is also giving certain services. Right? There can be different projects on which TCS and Infosys might be working for Apple. So what it means is, if I am employed with Infosys and working for Apple, and I quit Infosys and join TCS, then I can't work through TCS for Apple for at least 6 months. Okay, because before quitting for the last 12 months, I was involved in a project for Apple while working through Infosys. So that's the non-compete clause, which means you can't join a competitor and join the same client. In fact, it also stops people from quitting Infosys and joining directly Apple. But in spite of the non-compete clauses, I personally know many people who have switched jobs from Infosys to TCS, TCS to Infosys, or from vendor A to vendor B. We don't want to talk about any specific company here. People have left jobs, hopped jobs, and they have serviced the same client. Believe me, this has been happening in the past. But now Infosys has kind of triggered enforce this clause a bit more strictly, it seems. Why? Because the Infosys attrition rate is 27.7%, which means 27.7% people have left as of March 31st. Quarterly reports says so. At the same time, Infosys has hired 80 to 85,000 freshers from the market, which means their business is doing good. They are getting a lot of new projects, but people are leaving and they're trying to fill those positions with freshers. But at the same time, they don't want to let go people and join their competitors or join their clients, right? That is what is their business interest, and every other company would do that. Now, as an employee, what you need to be careful about is when you apply for another company, let's say if you are working with company A and you pass an interview or get an offer from company B, check which project or which client are they going to put you on. If they are going to put you on the same client for which you were working earlier, there may be an issue like this. So you want to be very careful, before you join. And at times people specifically hire from other vendors. TCS may hire from Infosys, Infosys may hire from TCS. I'm just taking names for example, because they know you have that specific work experience, because they know that you have worked with Apple or with Google or with any other client and you know that business very well, or the kind of project that they have done over there, that, and that is the exact reason why they hire. At times what companies do is they hire you but they don't make you, front end. So they will not allow you to go in front and work, because they know some kind of situation like this may occur. So they will have you work behind the scene, and then after some time they will bring you up front after 6 months or so that they are within the contract, right? All right, so just be aware of all these things, guys, before you accept the offer, and understand how this entire thing works. And my whole intent was to share information. This is just an example, as I said, to make you aware. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Do subscribe to the channel and share this video with your colleagues, friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, neighbor, father, mother, etc., etc. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.